Let's go. Try to keep this as still as possible. My personal settings, which is fast but soft suspension. Sweet. All right, so yeah, the only thing I've done to this car so far is I've done the larger heat exchanger, because I'm in Texas and my temp shows 101 outside today. Pretty hot. Let me turn down the AC. So it's 101 degrees today. So I did the larger heat exchanger from Alpha, or the Alpha AMS Performance. I did the JB4. Then I'm currently running Map 1, which is slightly a little more boost. Doing that just because the car has 833 miles on it. I don't want to really rock the car before the break-in period too bad. So yeah, so I'm kind of running a little bit more conservative. Let's see what else. So that's it for now. I mean, I got exhaust on the way to make it a little bit louder. I've got downpipes to install, but I'm going to wait to do that with the exhaust. And then after that, I'm probably just going to leave the car alone for a while. I'd like to do a heads-up mod. Yeah, no bigger turbos or anything like that. I just don't want to screw around with that much of the car. You know, this is my daily driver. Imagine I'm going to have to do quite a bit of smoothing. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I think we can make it. Whoa! Woohoo! Rear end tried to come around on me. That was juicy. A little juicy. A little spicy. Yeah, this car's got an insane amount of power in it. You know, I think Infiniti tries to keep this car on the down low, hoping you'll buy the GTR, but I don't know about you, but I don't have $150,000 sitting around. So, you know, if I can get 400 horsepower, okay, here we go. Try to get a good pull here. All right, that's 103 right there. So this car moves pretty well. Let's see if I can get this hit real quick, but I'll try not to have the wheel turned this time so I don't like end up dying. Try to get this stop. That's 90 or 85, 88, 88 miles per hour. That's it. That's the ride. So no more free ride. Get out of my car. Just kidding. Had fun. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you later.